Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your device and software. This is essential. Connect the iPhone to your Mac and open Xcode so you can provision and deploy. Once done, enable developer mode on the device and turn on Web Inspector to allow debugging. Make sure your Apple ID has a provisioning profile and a valid certificate in Xcode. This grants the permissions needed. These steps unlock the environment that permits just-in-time execution. Do them now so the rest proceeds smoothly. You now configure JIT inside the signed app. Modify entitlements and provisioning to include the appropriate runtime permissions. This is why a valid profile matters. Build and deploy the app from Xcode with debugging enabled, then attach the debugger or web inspector to observe allocation and JIT compilation events. Once attached, confirm the runtime is creating executable pages and that code signing requirements are satisfied. Make sure to iterate on entitlements and rebuild. Small flag changes often resolve silent failures. You finish by validating that JIT-produced pages execute reliably. Inspect logs for permission denials or code signing errors. If something fails, recheck provisioning profiles, developer mode state, and the exact entitlements. Mismatch here is the common culprit. Once corrected, rebuild and redeploy. Make sure the device hasn't reverted developer mode after a reboot. As a troubleshooting tip, if JIT remains blocked, deploy a minimal, signed helper process to isolate entitlement issues, then integrate fixes back into the main app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.